Hello children, welcome to 9th Chemistry online classes. Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules. So in today's session we are going to learn how to write a chemical formula. So for writing chemical formula we should know the symbols of elements and the valency. So let us see how to do it. For writing a chemical formula we should follow some rules. So first rule, valencies on the ions must be balanced. So you know what is valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an element. And you studied the valencies of the ions. Ion means the charged particle. Ion is the charged particle. Then second rule is, in case where both metal and non-metal substances are present in a compound, the name of the metal is always written first in the chemical formula. Okay, so in a compound, both metal and non-metal are present. Example, sodium chloride, NaCl. So sodium is the metal part and chlorine, that is the non-metal, sodium chloride. So in this case, first we should write the metal part. After that, we have to write the non-metal. Okay. Then third rule is, in case of polyatomic ions, the ion is written in brackets before writing the number of ions associated to it. For example, CaOH twice or calcium hydroxide. So here this is Ca, calcium, and two OH are there, OH, that is OH. This is the common bracket for this OH. So Ca, then two OH particles are there. Okay. In case of a single ion, there is no need to mention the ion in brackets. Example, NaOH. So Na, that is a metal part, and O is the non-metal, and hydrogen, that is also another non-metal. So that is the polyatomic ion. So here it is a single ion, one sodium, one oxygen, one hydrogen. In that case, no need to put the brackets. But here, in this case, here two OH are there, OH group. OH group is there. So here we have to put this bracket, and we will read like this, CaOH twice. Then writing the formulae of simple compounds. Formulae means that is the plural form of formula. Okay, writing the formulae of simple compounds. Binary compounds. Compounds that consists of two different elements. So one compound consists of two different elements, okay, like hydrogen or nitrogen or sodium, chlorine, like that. Two different elements, which is called binary compounds. So for you have to study only the simple compounds like binary compounds. Then how to write a formula of binary compound. See, write the symbols of the corresponding elements of the compound as explained above. So we just check that rules. So according to the rule, first you write the symbols. Write the valencies of the elements of the compound. Then cross over the valencies of the elements. So we will see how to balance or how to write the chemical formula. Examples of writing the chemical formula. So for writing the chemical formula, we should know the symbols and valency. So first example, formula of hydrogen chloride. Formula of hydrogen chloride. So how we will find the formula of hydrogen chloride? First we have to write the symbols of these elements. So here two elements are there, hydrogen and chlorine. So first you have to write symbol H, first one here Cl. And the next line write valency. Valency of hydrogen is 1, valency of chlorine is 1. And its charge plus 1. Okay, its charge plus 1. Hydrogen plus 1, chlorine minus 1. Okay, children, hydrogen plus 1 and chlorine minus 1, that is the charge. but both have valency 1 1. So after writing the symbol and valency, we have to cross over here or crisscross this. That time hydrogen get 1 and chlorine get this one. So what is the formula of hydrogen chloride? H1Cl1. This H get this one, this Cl get this one, H1Cl1. So no need to write, we both have 1 1, so no need to write here. So what is the chemical formula? HCl, hydrogen chloride. Next see the second example, formula of hydrogen sulfide. So here also two elements, hydrogen, sulfur. First we have to write like the same like symbol. What is the symbol of hydrogen? Capital H, and the symbol of sulfur is capital S. So hydrogen H and sulfur S. Then write the valency of this hydrogen. Hydrogen valency is 1 and the charge is plus. Then you know that plus 1. So here you have to write 1. And valency of sulfur is 2. Sulfur is 2 minus 2. Actually its charge is negative charge. But you have to write here 2. Sulfur 2. So then crisscross here. So here the hydrogen get this 2 and sulfur get this 1. So how you can write the chemical formula? H2S1. H2S1. But for 1 we don't need to write. So the chemical formula is H2S. Got it, children? Now we'll go to the third example, that is formula of carbon tetrachloride. Tetra means 4. Let's see how to write the formula of carbon tetrachloride. So from this carbon tetrachloride we know that here two elements are there. One is carbon and the other is chlorine. First write the symbol for carbon, that is C, and symbol for chlorine is Cl. Okay. Then write the valency of carbon. Valency of carbon is 4 and valency of chlorine is 1. Then crisscross. So this C get this 1 and the Cl get 4. So C1 Cl4. So no need to write 1. So our chemical equation is CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Next is formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. So here you can see that here one is metal and this is non-metal. But here hydrogen chloride both are metal. Both are non-metals. And here also hydrogen sulfide. Here also hydrogen and sulfur both are non-metals. Here carbon tetrachloride, carbon and chlorine both are non-metals. But here magnesium chloride, magnesium is the metal and chloride or chlorine is the non-metal. Got it? And first we have to write the symbols. Symbol of magnesium is Mg and the symbol of chlorine is Cl. Then write the charge or the valency. Magnesium valency is 2 plus. Here 2 plus. We have to write here 2 plus. And chlorine 1 minus. 1 minus. Then crisscross. So Mg. So that time no need to write the sign. Mg valency is 1. So MgCl2. MgCl2. So here no need to mention the charge. Okay. MgCl2. Instead of this charge you can write valency and write here 2 and here 1. That's also enough. MgCl2. Next we see some more examples. Formula for aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. Here also aluminium is a metal and oxide or oxygen is a non-metal. And how to write the symbols? Symbol aluminium is Al and oxygen symbol is O. Aluminium valency or the charge is 3 plus and the oxygen valency or the charge is 2 minus. Crisscross. So Al2, Al2, O3. Okay, Al2O3. Next is, so aluminium oxide. What is the chemical formula of aluminium oxide? Al2O3. Next is formula of calcium oxide. Calcium is a metal, oxygen is a non-metal. First you have to write symbol for calcium, that is Ca, oxygen O. Calcium charge or valency is 2 plus, oxygen 2 minus. Okay, oxygen 2 minus. Then crisscross here. So what you will get the answer? Ca, this 2 get here, Ca2O2. But both have 2, 2, so no need to write that 2, 2. So what is our calcium oxide formula? CaO. So that is the CaO. I will just write here CaO. That is CaO. So calcium oxide chemical formula is CaO. And next is formula of sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate. So here sodium, that is Na, symbol of sodium Na, and nitrate, that symbol is, that is a polyatomic ion. Nitrate is a polyatomic ion, that is NO3. And this I told you to study that table in page number 37. So here it is there, NO3, nitrate is NO3 minus. Minus means 1, valency is 1. So symbols already we wrote, Na and NO3, and charge sodium is +1 and NO3 1 minus. So crisscross Na, NO3, Na, NO3. There's no need to write this 1, 1. So the chemical formula of sodium nitrate is Na, NO3. Next is formula of calcium hydroxide. Here also one metal and here one polyatomic ion. Calcium hydroxide. So first write the symbol Ca, and calcium is Ca, and hydroxide is OH. Hydroxide is OH. Calcium charge or valency is 2 plus, OH minus 1 or 1 minus. So formula by crisscross, it is the CaOH twice. CaOH twice. So this 2 is common for this O and H. This is a one group. So OH twice. Next is formula of sodium carbonate. So here also one metal, sodium, and carbonate is a group or polyatomic ion. The symbols of sodium is Na and CO3 is the formula of carbonate. The charge or valency of sodium is 1 and CO3 is 2 minus, crisscross. So you will get Na2, see, Na2 CO3 1. So no need to write 1. So Na2 CO3. Na2 CO3, that is sodium carbonate. Formula of ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate, here these two are polyatomic ions. Ammonium, that is NH4, and this sulfate is SO4. And the charge of this ammonium ion is 1 plus, and the charge of SO4, that is 2 minus. So crisscross NH4 twice SO4. NH4 twice SO4. Okay. So this writing chemical formula is a little bit difficult for you in the first time, but each example you can write in your, first you write everything in your notebook and take one rough paper and just try to write the chemical formula of each compound. Okay, so you will get, and any doubt we will discuss in the interaction session also. Okay children, it's okay. Thank you. All the best.